here at the CMU Laboratory High School for the DOST SEI JLSS exam. And we have here mga exam takers. Hello guys, what's your name? Wait. Yes, siya. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was the exam?
7.
10 over 10. So listen jud kay siya guys kay 10 over 10.
I think for me it should be 10 because some of the questions were quite confusing, especially on the fields that di namin forte. Mga 8.
9. 1 million? 1 million? 7? Solid 8. 9.
The exam for me, I rate it as a 5 out of 10 overall. Simply because there are some things na I was able to study. There are also some items that are very unexpected and not in my study range. 5, 6, 7.
So if you would describe your DOST exam experience in one word, what would that word be?
Actually, funny. Funny kayo kay nag-check na o test sa amo ang proctor and so nakulbaan ko kay ako ang scratch paper kay wala gyud nakabutang half lang gyud kablo kasi nakabutang nito DOST QT pa sir QT kay ilaha kay back to back na ilahang mga kanang solution.
Unexpected fun lang. I was not able to expect some of the items na sa normal if nag-study, but okay. It is what it is.
I would choose the word challenging. Lunch for me, stressful. Stressful, very light. So what can you say to the project leads mo na initiative from the DOST scholars?
Thank you kayo sa ila kay katong kayo tabang tong videos and katong answer key of material nga ilang i-provide. Thank you. Because nag-ibot nila ilang background para ma-prepare me for this for this DOST scholarship qualifying exam. It is very fun siya kay nakatapang na sa mga.
DOST QT! DOST QT! DOST QT! DOST QT! DOST QT!